Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a high potential individual HPI visa for UK. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this government.uk website where I have taken you to the section of high potential individual HPI visa. So first of all, what exactly this visa is? So this allows you to stay 2 years, but if you have done PhD or other doctoral qualification, you can go for 3 years. And you must have been awarded a qualification by an eligible university in the last 5 years. So they have a list. We'll just quickly go through it, not fully. This you cannot extend, and this does not require a job offer. So basically, for in short terms, if you have completed your qualification from one of the elite universities, okay, so then you can apply for this visa. So if I open this eligible university in another tab, what are these? So they have given list 5 years, so that's what they have given. So let's say the latest list if I open. Wow. I wish I could say an Indian university, but unfortunately I cannot. For Canada, I can see University of British Columbia, University of Toronto, and McGill University, of course. It will be there, no question. Yeah, these are top institutions. I do see some Chinese universities. Wow. Hopefully Indian universities make this list someday. If open for the last year. Wow. I do see an Australian university too. Good. Anyway, I won't go much into that. And you can apply it online, and you can also apply it from inside UK if you are there on another visa. All right. So let's go for this. Apply. So make sure you understand everything, that your qualification and other things and all will be required. Okay. So, and also you need, if you are applying from outside UK, you need to provide your fingerprint and photo biometric. So it depends on visa application center. Okay. So when I opened it. So let's say you are in Canada. So what you can do? Okay. So it's again on outsourced to VFS. So these are the cities where they do. Okay. So the process is pretty simple. That first you apply online, pay fee, upload documents, and then they send you an email to schedule your appointment. Then you go there, schedule your appointment and submit, and complete your appointment and submit, and then it will go under process. And from there, you can begin your, from there your application. Then you go there, schedule your appointment and submit, and complete your appointment and submit, and then it will go under process. And from there, you can begin your, from there your application begins. Okay. And then you can wait for the decision. So once you're ready, click on start now. Where you're planning to live, I select this one. Like, I'm gonna put all the questions as per uh, sample answers, but when you do as per your case. Do you have a current EU Swiss passport? I select no. Select a country to provide your biometrics. Yes, you have identified individual. Okay, details are there. So make sure you watch, you read all about it. Email address, password. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Next question it asks, who does this email belong to? I select you. Additional email, I select no, but why not provide another email so that you get some notification. Your phone number, use while in UK, outside UK. I select mobile number. You have any other phone number, definitely provide. But it's a sample video, so I select no, but definitely provide. I can be contacted via the phone as well as text. Your information. Any other names have you used? I said no. You will grant permission in the graduate group, Dr. High potential individual. I select no. Gender, relationship status, address. So you know your address. I don't have to tell you. Is this same as your correspondence address? I select yes. How long have you lived here? I select well, no, 132 years too much. Let's say you own it. Passport number, issuing authority. Do it as per your own case. Issue date. Make sure you meet the format. Okay. You can continue. Do you have a valid identity card? So definitely like people have this. So go to yes and provide the details, but it's a sample video. That's why I'm selecting no. There's no reason you put no. Your nationality and country and date of birth. Okay. Country of nationality, country of birth, place of birth, and date of birth. Wow. Do you have any other nationality? I select no, but if you have, definitely declare. Spoken language, I select English. ECTS number of Johns may speed up your application. So definitely, if you have, definitely provide that. But for the sample video, I'm doing this. Purpose of application to continue working for my. I want to find work in the UK. Level of qualification, degree. I select degree. Date of qualification when it was granted. So I'll just set 10. Not bad. Name of qualifications. I'm just doing BTech 90. G. Name of. I'll just put give details of your first parent. So I'm just selecting mother. Country of nationality. Canada. Have they always had the same nationality? Same thing about father. It. On the same nationality, I select yes. Where will you stay in the UK? So if you select yes, I mean postal code or address, like if your friend, family, or if you book the address. If you to select no, they will ask like how you're gonna plan. Like you should have a plan. So this is a sample video. That's why I'm doing it. But most of you will either have a plan or you already have the place where you're gonna stay. So accordingly, you can enter the information in the system. Have you been to UK in past? I select no. Issued a UK visa? I select no. Travel to Australia. How many times have you visited following the last 10 years? I'll select 6 or more time. So if your most recent travel, let's say Canada, what was the reason? Other reason, I live there. Oh, okay, whatever it applicable, I'm just doing this. Just sample wise. Second most recent travel, wow. I've been to any other country, I select no. Whatever is applicable. Date you plan. Let's say we are gonna come on team. Have you ever refused visa, refused entry, refused permission? I select no. Breach of UK immigration law, I select no. I say no to any criminality, but yeah, read everything and then answer. Don't answer blindly. War crimes, I select no. You've been involved, supported in the terrorist activity, I select no. No, but yeah, read everything and then do. One incorrect answer, then it could be misrepresentation. You don't want to do that with your application. Employment history, armed forces, government, intelligence services. My God. So go through all of these, and if you want to make any change, go on the change button and make the change you can do. Fund maintenance funds. Okay. Funds. So let's say you have ED Canada. How you can do this? You want to add another financial institution? I said no. You test well. Mandatory document. What are the things you need? Color copies of all pages. Academic qualification. Letter from bank. To the closest test result. So just go through it. And this will help you to proceed. Check everything. Once all good, go for next. Declaration from here to accept terms, condition, and then pay and further action. They are going to guide you as I described in the beginning. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.